Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be making another lip gloss. It's one of our famous glosses, holoLove. You guys love this lip gloss. So first I went ahead and added my Versagel. So the first Versagel I poured add oils already mixed, and the next one was just pure Versagel, and when I weighed everything it was like 3 pounds. And honestly, after this I added more Versagel because it was so soft, like the consistency was so thin, so I added more. So for Versagel you can put down 4 pounds. So then I went ahead and added my oils. As you can see, this oil particularly is very good. It makes your gloss so glossy, and this is Purple Spark from TKB Trading. This is the gem, guys. So I went ahead and weighed the oil, and everything weighed about 1 second. I don't remember. So okay, so it's like 5.6 ounces, and then I added the pigments, which is 3 tablespoons of pigment into that, and then you want to go ahead and mix the oil and the pigment together. So you have to be gentle with the mixing because the pigment is very, how would I say, it's very flaky. So like they fly everywhere regardless of how you mix it. But just be careful and make sure you wear a mask so you don't inhale some of the pigments because they're very small and tiny particles. So you need to mix the pigment and the oil until there are no balls. So just mix them and make sure there are no molded particles like I'm doing in the video. Mix, 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 mix. After mixing, then you pour the oil and the pigment inside your Versagel like I'm doing here. I'm just making sure there are no leftovers in the cup. As you're going to see later, I then put another oil so I can get out the rest of the pigment that's left in the cup. After pouring, then you can go ahead and do the fun part, which is mixing the gloss itself. Make sure you're gentle with this because you don't want any bubbles in your glosses. So mix gentle. After that, I went ahead and added my cotton candy flavoring oil from Get Suckered. They have the best flavoring oil, guys. So this is what it looks like after mixing, and this is the consistency I always like to go for. Honestly, consistency is just a matter of preference. If you want, you can add more oils. If you want a thinner consistency, you can add more oil, and if you want it thicker, then you can reduce the amount of oil you add to it. And this is just what I like to go for.